What's up guys, today I'm gonna play Animal Hospital. Yeah, so I'm on mobile, I have 15 shift and I have secretary class. So yeah, I'm about to beat my 15 shifts by reaching 20 more shifts. So yeah, let's see how far we can go. This normal over there, but I'm not staying anymore by my own. So yeah, enough talking, let's get into the video. Okay, we're in. I skipped doctor dialogue so I can get more time. Because the doctor always said, in first shift, you always need to get the coffee first so you can get sanity. So, but when shifts more coffee, leave one coffee, drink two sips, and get one coffee for Barney. He'll give you extra coffee machine for later now on this video. So in shift one, there's usually no anomalies. Yeah, so you don't need to check the pictures or anything. So don't be scared. Okay, bro got room one. Okay, I'll be there. Okay, so guys, I'll be showing you in the first patient. Always grab herbs. The patient will always get stomachache. So yeah, in the first patient you get herbs like this. Look, stomachache, and let's see, oh, herbs. Yeah, so always grab herbs, and after that you can go on to the next patient. So in the next patient, I mean in the second patient, always grab eye drops. Like look at his eyes, it's kind of black. So yeah, take a picture. Don't need to take that. Why did I take that? So yeah, just do the process. Keep going. Okay, so for the second patient, you will grab eye drops. Yeah. In the first patient, you grab herbs because of stomachache, and second patient goes to eye drops. Yeah. It's just that I've memorized it. Let's see how far we can go. Bright eyes. Let's just do that and we're done. Shutters are operational now. Yeah, we got great money and we unlocked the security cam so we can unlock detect anomalies. Yeah, why did I shoot there? Wait, I think this guy's anomaly. Look at his head. Like, yeah. Wait, look at the camera. I can't really tell, but I think I'm not gonna trust this guy. Bro, glitch, bro, step. Oh my god, bro, what the frick? Okay, I already know bro's an anomaly. I'm just gonna keep the shutter off and drink my freaking coffee. Oh my god, after if it's brewing again, take two sips and leave one coffee for Barney. He will still accept that. So yeah. Let's see. Okay, you're good. I think you're good. Oh god, bro, anomaly again. Oh nah. Okay. Bye bye. Okay, let's try. Oh, wait, what? Oh wait, I think both the headband. Yeah, the headband. So yeah, if this technique is like, just ignore this. He will leave soon after the like third shift. So yeah, ignore this. Don't be scared. He will just break the glass. That's all. No big problem. Check this guy. My god, there's so many anomalies. This guy's anomaly dude. Maybe I can shut the door. Wait. Rapi din. dead bagger left. Okay, I can shut the doors now. They're stopping the freaking bell. Okay, I think they left. Normal again. It's fine. Okay, I think I need to check the patients now. Well, they will be waiting for many. Oh, I think. Maybe it's like we just grab eye drops and put the eye drops in the yeah. So they're gonna be not lose sanity. But when I look up, I lose freaking sanity. Yeah. So this guy's dehydration okay, 5 drops and 10 inches. So this is gonna be easy, no jump scares yet, but after few shifts, the shift, the like, I don't know what's that again. The shift will go on until like the stalker comes. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it there. Chill, don't ring the bell. Wait, let me check first. Okay, you go. Look good, buddy. Okay, no more shifts to come. Let's do this last in room 4. Okay, this guy's fried eyes and okay, I bet. Okay, now we're done. Okay, this where the shop was. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The glass getting freak is this. I've never seen this before. Second window. Okay, I'll just like buy that so I can get more extra points. You know, for glasses. Let me fix this camera. Where's this camera? Oh yeah, the camera. You can fix cameras. You will not lose any. Nothing's happening right now. Like, kinda bored. You know me, bro? Okay, bro. What the fuck, bro? Bye. Okay. Wait, guys, I'm getting a little scared. I wanna end the video, but I'm gonna do it just for you guys. So check him, check that. Okay, really okay, bye, bro. You look ugly yourself, bro. Bye. I think you need eye drops. Okay, you look good, bro. Here. I mean, him or a bunny. I don't know shit, bro. You look. Why you have thorns? Wait, you go wait. You go wait. You will be my guardian for the shift. Oh yeah, I'm gonna check the building. Wait, okay. Don't you dare ring the bell that much. Wait guys, I'm gonna show you a very important for unlimited shifts later. Okay, bandages. Okay guys, I have enough. I'll show you the unlimited tips for this video. Okay. Sup boy? Make sure you have unlimited like coffee drinks or food or whatever. So this is what you're gonna do. A very simple thing to do. Okay, so guys, I'm just gonna AFK for the rest of the shifts. Yeah, so let's see how far we can go. Yes, sir. Oh my god, bro, I puke. Okay, bye. Okay, I'm just gonna leave my phone here. Just okay. Okay, I'm just gonna get some water and okay. Okay, how's it going? I just came back. Okay, still in the field. Okay, what do I do then? I don't wanna go out. It's so shit, bro. Okay, make sure to do this. To do this thing. Oh yeah. This is the tip I gave you, so yeah, please subscribe and like the video, and if you want more tips, hit the notification bell and keep watching more of my videos. Bye. I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna show you something. Oh wait, Barney. Yo. This is the trick. Take one. I already did. Take 1 7 2 6 and give the last one to Barney. He will still accept it. 3 2 1.